Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to plan your content in advance and post automatically, Canva lets you schedule social media posts directly from the platform without using extra tools. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to schedule social media posts in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, of course, log into your account, click create, choose a format such as Instagram post, video, TikTok video. Okay, so let's choose a TikTok video, for example. Scheduling works only with social media formats, okay? So if you haven't connected your account yet, click share top right, okay? Wait a minute. So let's choose the template first. Let's choose any template, okay? So for example, this one. So now, click share, click schedule, okay? Websites, okay? So click connect to your platform and log into your social media accounts, okay? Authorize Canva access. So you only need to connect each account once. So open the scheduling panel. So with your design open, click share, click schedule, and the scheduling panel will appear. This is where you choose the date and the platform, okay? So select the connected account, choose the platform such as Instagram, Facebook, and set the dates and the time, and then click set the posting time, okay? And then that's it, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.